I'm Kim Mixon.
And I'm Tom Maldonado.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to check out this video tour.
Take a deep breath and exhale all the worries of your day as you make your way down this scenic, winding drive approaching your own Southern living style getaway set on a little over 16 acres in Harris County. Welcome to 2385 Hoody Hudson Road, Cataula, Georgia. This exciting residence is almost 3,000 square feet of versatile space with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and an amazing bonus room which could be an ideal in-law space or a large 4th bedroom. And this is just the start. Wood floors expand throughout the entire main living area to include the master suite. This is an open plan with beautiful views of the property from every room. The spacious master suite is on the main level and includes private French door access to the back patio and pool area. This home is loaded with unique custom details, and it is a terrific layout. Check out this spectacular laundry room. Absolute perfection. This large bonus room is on the main level and offers numerous versatile uses to include an in-law suite or a teen room. Upstairs are 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bath. The game day porch includes a fireplace with a TV above so you can enjoy all of your favorite sports while overlooking the sparkling saltwater pool, which is going to be your favorite spot for summer fun with friends and family. But that's not it. Make your way to the 1,600 square foot workshop. How awesome is this? Whether you want to store all your favorite recreation toys or work on your favorite projects, this workshop is extraordinary. This 16-acre home has it all. 2385 Hoody Hudson Road. You don't want to miss this rare opportunity.